Getting ready for vacation is never easy, but once you're there, you want the trip to be a breeze. With technology and innovation, there are so many travel gadgets that can make your vacations more organized, enjoyable, and fun. So today, we are going to show you some uber cool gadgets that can enhance your travel experience.
Alright, let's start with the first thing that we love to do when we travel, and that is videography. In today's age, traveling without capturing every moment on a camera and not sharing it on social media is almost like a sin. And to make that task easy for you, the GoPro Action Camera could be a great choice. Whether you are just shooting for fun or you are aiming for YouTube glory, GoPro is the gear you need to make your videos shine. From its small waterproof design to its incredible image stabilization to its excellent video quality, the GoPro Hero is one of the most versatile cameras you can get for creating YouTube vlog. Plus, it also allows you to capture professional 5K footage on the go. And here's a small video sample that I made during my recent adventure trip.
I know there are so many action and mirrorless cameras in the market for videography, but if you don't want to invest in a camera and still want to create some amazing videos, nothing can be better than investing in an iPhone.
What makes iPhone so comparable to a DSLR camera is the Dolby Vision feature. These are the only devices in the world to enable an end-to-end experience for HDR video with Dolby Vision, and even better video stabilization for cinema-grade productions. There are more reasons that makes more sense in investing in an iPhone. Of course, it's easily accessible and portable, and you can carry it around all the time on the go. Moreover, all its camera features like panorama, slow motion, time-lapse, live photos and portrait mode are all easy to use. And unlike traditional cameras, you don't have to carry multiple lenses. And here's a small video sample that has been shot on an iPhone.
Well, we have spoken a lot about video but haven't discussed the importance of audio. Sound plays such an important role in creating content. It's important to get the sound right. Therefore, you need a right microphone for the job.
Even if you're using one of the best 4K cameras for filmmaking or one of the best cameras for vlogging, you will run into problems without a dedicated microphone. And for that, you can go for Sennheiser Memory Mic. This is a great option for those who want to record sound over more than a few feet or in a crowded environment. Sennheiser's Memory Mic is essentially a compact wireless microphone for smartphones. It uses a free app to connect to your mobile device and supports both iOS and Android and records high quality audio internally for up to 4 hours. The compact and lightweight microphone offers excellent sound and works at any distance from your smartphone. And once synced, since it records the audio internally, you don't have to worry about dropouts. What's interesting is that the whole voiceover of this story has been done on this microphone. So listen carefully and be the judge. Alright, next up is for your entertainment. If you're traveling, high chances are that you will be surrounded by all kind of noise, traffic and buzz. And a fun trip always demands a pleasant state of mind away from all the chaos and noise. That's where these noise-cancelling earbuds come into play. There are so many true wireless earbuds available in the market, but the OnePlus Earbuds Pro, Google Pixel Buds A series and Nothing Ear One are some of the hot properties in TWS market these days. So keep these cool travel gadgets and enjoy your trip in solitude. Are you one of those forgetful people who tend to lose their belongings during travel? If yes, then it's a good idea to get some help from technology by using clever little devices like Apple AirTag. One of the most popular and reliable tracking gadgets, AirTag has almost all the features you will need to keep your stuff in check. It's a tiny device that offers multiple attachment methods to make it work with almost anything. You can attach it to your keys or stick it to your bag and even slide it in your wallet. AirTags do exactly what you expect them to, and they do it brilliantly. They are easy to set up. All you need to do is to unpack an AirTag and hold it near your iPhone. You will see a card pop-up offering to connect to the device. You can view the location of your AirTags in the Find My app alongside your iOS devices. Each AirTag has a small internal speaker, so you can use sound to locate your devices at home or outside, just like using Find My iPhone to play a sound on your phone. Apple's new AirTag allows you to track items almost anywhere. Leveraging the network of nearly 1 billion iOS devices around the world, you can use them to track your keys and luggage. So if you have an iPhone 11 or later, you can get precise direction until you find your lost item. Last but not the least is the gadget, which is future-proof. Most of us travel with so many electronic devices that need charging. With a charger that uses GaN technology, we get a whole lot more bang for our buck, both now and in the future. Since the overall design is smaller, most GaN chargers incorporate USB-C power delivery. This offers fast charging for compatible devices. Being lightweight and occupying less space makes GaN chargers great for travel. One charger is all most people will need when it has enough power for everything from a phone to a tablet and even a laptop. So it's best to invest in a compact charging brick with multiple ports, and GaN chargers are best suited for that. Traveling is a fun adventure. It will be even more fun when we have these cool travel gadgets to take along with us. So next time when you travel, travel smarter and safer.